Hello my friends and welcome back to the rabbit hole and welcome to what has to be one of the most requested videos on this channel. I've had so many people ask me, but how do you DIY your own sheet masks? In today's video, I will show you that exactly. We are going to be using these compressed sheet masks that I purchased from the Yesstyle website. I'll link them below and I'll also put my rewards code if you want to get a discount. All these are these tiny little discs that expand when exposed to your toner. Here's a comparison of their size next to my eyeball. They're very small, but they grow. And then of course you can also do your own toner pads or spot sheet masking, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be using the Haru Haru Wonder Ultra Fit Facial Pads. So yes, don't worry, although I am calling this video DIY sheet masks, it is not any kind of dangerous DIY that we are doing today. There will be no lemons. We will leave that to Led Zeppelin. Instead, all we're going to be doing is taking a toner of our choice. Now this is really important, especially with the compressed sheet masks. You're going to want to make sure that you choose a toner that is very watery. Do you see how this Anua toner, when I shake it around, it splashes around a lot? You don't want to use those very viscous toners that kind of wave slowly in the bottle. Do you know what I'm talking about? I really love the added effect of my headband bobbing. Yes, you know what I'm talking about. If you try to use something too viscous, the compressed sheet mask will not expand too well. I know that when I first started doing this, I got really excited about all the possibility in making my own sheet masks, and I wanted to, add a little bit of toner and then maybe some serum in my sheet mask. If you too are thinking you really want to do that, I will tell you honestly, it just doesn't work that well. The best advice I can give you is, you can mix the benefits, but just put the serum on first and then follow with your sheet mask. You're still getting that same effect of locking in all of those ingredients. Now, another important thing is you want to make sure you choose a non-active toner. So I will give you some examples. I already showed you the Anua 77% Heartleaf toner. Another added bonus, you will start going through toner really quickly doing this. So these big bottles, this one is 8.4 fluid ounces. They're going to be so helpful. The CeraVe Hydrating Toner, another really great example. This one is made with ceramides, of course. And I also grabbed the CosRx Hydrium Watery Toner, which has a very, very basic ingredients list, and that's the kind of thing you're going to want to look for. Especially if you're newer to skincare and you're at all concerned, you're just going to want to make sure you're avoiding the ingredients that, if pushed into your skin in the way that a sheet mask does, could cause irritation. You don't want to use those. And I think that's enough of an intro. Are you ready to see how this all works? So we're going to start with the compressed sheet mask method, and I will go ahead and rotate you to see my table so we can expand this together. Welcome to my desk. We have our fancy plate from IKEA here, the store that makes me question, have I finally hit adulthood? And I'm going to just go ahead and open up this sheet mask and place it into the plate. Let's use the CeraVe toner with this one. Okay, so I'm just going to start pouring this onto that. From the angle I have you, I don't know if you can actually see that it is expanding, but yes, in fact, it is growing, so. All right, it's coming along. All right, friends, maybe you can see this is a full sheet mask. I'll go ahead and apply it to my face so you can see. I understand that it can be really hard to believe that someone can be this physically attractive, but we're just gonna have to look past this. Okay, so apparently these flaps are so you can fold this over your eyelid. I do feel like it's a little larger than my face. I guess that's a good thing. I do have kind of a smaller face. Nonetheless, it is a CeraVe Hydrating Sheet Mask before CeraVe has even released this. Method number 2 is making your own spot sheet mask. It's so funny for me to reflect back on this because I used to buy these. I really like all in one package. Have any of you ever just spent way more than you needed to on skincare products? Anyway, these are the Haru Haru Wonder Ultra Fit Facial Pads, and basically they're kind of like a cotton pad, except they don't have any real stretch to them. They're not good for removing makeup. They are made to be a spot sheet mask. So what toner do we want to use? Let's use the COSRX Hydrium Watery Toner. And all you do is fill this. That's it. Couldn't be easier, could it? So there we go. I added one of these spot sheet masks to my forehead and one to my chin area here. You can put them anywhere you want. You can make a full sheet mask out of these if you want to. And my friends, that's it. How quick and easy and simple could it be? Imagine how much money I'm saving by not purchasing sheet masks. And not just money, also way more friendly to the environment. I'm super happy with this method. I think it's wonderful. But that's it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Feel free to also share if you have any favorite toners that you like to use, or maybe some essences that you like to use with these methods. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you all next time.